Guilty on all charges. Today, a jury convicted former Norfolk Sheriff Bob McCabe of 11 counts of bribery and corruption-related offenses. The verdict comes after a 3-week trial and a quick deliberation. McCabe's attorney tells Allison Basil they plan to appeal. She has details from the federal courthouse downtown.
Yes, shortly after the verdict came down, the judge revoked former Norfolk Sheriff Bob McCabe's bond. He immediately got booked into the Western Tidewater Regional Jail. 12 jurors decided in just about 5 hours that McCabe is a guilty man. The swift verdict surprised McCabe's attorney, James Broccoletti.
I thought that because of the amount of evidence and the length of the trial, that it would have taken them much longer to go through things, but that's their prerogative.
Prosecutors argued the conviction gave him a reason to leave the area. Broccoletti fired back that the former sheriff is not a flight risk and hasn't violated the rules since he got released on bond in 2018. Broccoletti says he's very surprised the judge revoked bond.
The guy can't even walk fast. Where's he going to run to? I mean, there's no reason at his age to put him in a local jail when he's a former sheriff with possible retribution.
Broccoletti says they have multiple grounds to appeal.
The court allowed the statements from the deceased witness, Mr. Huey.
Prosecutors indicted McCabe along with former Correct Care Solutions CEO Jerry Boyle. McCabe was convicted of helping the company score contracts with the city for bribes. Broccoletti says the court decided not to put them on trial together.
The court severed those trials, so we didn't have Mr. Boyle available to explain things and to explain the emails and explain what he meant. So there are multiple issues that are going to go forward. We're not done yet.
Broccoletti says McCabe is staying positive.
He's very concerned about his family, and he's also very optimistic and positive, and we are moving forward.
McCabe's sentencing is set for January 21st. In Norfolk, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
Acting U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District, Raj Parikh, released a statement saying, quote, the jury's guilty verdict on all counts sends a strong message that government officials who corrupt their oaths and betray the community's trust will be held accountable.